Congratulations on your new Livia kit. Livia is a small, discreet device that will magically neutralize your menstrual pains. It is the ultimate alternative to painkillers and has been proven to be safe and effective. Livia uses smart technology to shut off the pain gates in your body and lets you keep going as light as a feather the whole month. Inside your Livia kit, you'll find a Livia device with a classic skin in the color of your choice, a USB charging cable, Livia's travel case, one set of flower pads installed with 1 month's supply gel pads, and an additional 2 months' supply of gel pads. Your Livia has 5 LEDs, 1 power button in the middle, and 2 buttons, plus and minus, for increasing and decreasing the strength of the treatment. Before the first use, charge your Livia for 12 hours strict, even if it is already charged, using the USB port on the bottom of the device. Just connect it to a regular phone or tablet USB charger, or to your computer. While charging, the LED lights flash slowly up and down, and once charging is completed, all LED lights remain lit. Isn't it beautiful? First of all, you've got to have a period. No, seriously. To know where to place the flower pads, you need to spot where the pain comes from. Remove the plastic cover from the gel pads and keep it safe in your Livia case. You will need it to protect the gel pads between treatments. Then, you place 1 flower pad on one side of the pain spot, and the other pad you place symmetrically on the other side, keeping a minimum gap of 10 centimeters between them. Connect the flower pads to your Livia and turn it on by pushing the power button. Now, we know it hurts and you can't wait to get rid of the pain, but it is most recommended to adjust the intensity step by step by pushing the plus button 1 click at a time. So don't rush in. It takes 30 to 60 seconds before you're going to feel the influence, and up to 15 minutes for the full effect. You may keep the treatment going as long as you feel like, though you should change the position of your flower pads every 2 hours to prevent skin irritation. And at the end of the treatment, make sure you turn off your Livia before removing the flower pads from your body. Your new Livia's flower pads comes already installed with 1 month's supply gel pads, so baby, you're ready to go. You will also get 2 additional monthly replacement gel pads. Make sure to replace the gel pads once a month to keep them sterile and prevent bacteria and skin irritation. To replace the gel pad, follow these steps. Peel off the used gel pad. Take a new gel pad from the kit. Peel the protector in 2 steps as shown in the video. Attach the gel pad to the center of the flower pad. Now, here's a little tip. If during the month the pad's stickiness weakens, you can take a tiny bit of water on your finger, soak it to the gel pad, and wait for a few minutes till the pad is sticky again. Then cover the pad with its plastic cover. Your Livia is a good girl, and a pretty one as well. But still, you better know how to troubleshoot it. First, if the LEDs don't work or if you notice a flashing red light, just recharge it. Now, you're having your monthly suffers. You wear your Livia, turn it on, and nothing happens. Verify the flower pads are connected and not damaged in any way. Check that they are well attached to your skin and try to increase the treatment intensity. And if you feel the treatment is asymmetrical, just check again the positioning of your flower pads and make sure you've put them symmetrically on both sides of the pain spot. Well, that's it. Oh, almost forgot the most important stuff. Customizing your Livia. We designed an amazing variety of Livia skins with different colors and different feel. Just choose the one that fits your style the most, or change them every month according to the weather. Yay! So, when the weather changes and you've got to change your style, peel off the old skin and be sure to put your new colorful skin in the right direction, with the USB port hole on the bottom, the minus button to the left, and the plus button to the right. Enjoy your month!